What's going on, YouTube? And we're back with another video. So today's video is just an update of my last video with the carbon fiber interior mods. So I finally got all the pieces to the interior mod. I got all of those installed, and I also ordered some extra little bits and pieces here and there. So what I ordered was 4 AC vent rings and paddle shifters. So without further ado, let's get it. All right, we're back. So one of the pieces that came for the update is carbon fiber down here. I didn't have that at first when I made the first video. That piece. I also added these blue pieces right here. This blue piece, those two blue pieces over there. And also on the steering wheel, as you can see, the paddle shifters are blue. I added those. So these came in, this came in, that came in, thank God. And then the other piece down here. So they have a piece for this, but since mine has the garage opener, they don't have actual carbon fiber for the garage opener piece. But other than that, that is everything for the interior. Let's see if this camera focuses. That is everything. And if you guys want to know where I ordered the blue pieces from, same place, Next Gen Speed. I ordered the 4 AC vents and the blue paddle shifters. All together, it was $84. $84, that's not bad at all. Very inexpensive and affordable. Makes it look a whole lot better. Whole lot better. Man, my interior is killing the game. If you're not following the Instagram, go hit up the Instagram. Berserker Mero. Go hit up the Instagram. I posted a picture just like this on Instagram, and it's at 1,300 and something likes. It's killing the game. But yeah, if you need interior parts for your Camaro, I suggest going to Next Gen Speed. Next Gen Speed. So that's it for this video, guys. This was just a quick update from my last video because I was still missing those pieces, but they're finally in. Everything is installed, and the car looks magnificent. So the only thing else that I will probably order for my interior is floor mats from Next Gen Speed as well. And they're going to be black with blue stitching. It's going to be amazing. Just wait on it. Maybe next month. All right, so that's it for this video. If you like what you saw on the update, give me a like, a subscribe. Good feedback, bad feedback. Any feedback is good feedback. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next one. Peace.